Hello guys, welcome to this video and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. It's great to see you guys today and I'm so pumped, I'm so excited, and today I'm going to show you how you can make up to $15 per hour for each photo that you submit and each photo that you upload with your phone. Okay, so I will give you all details on this video, so let's go ahead and get started now. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now, because I come out video with every single day that I will show you how you can make money online and how to work from home and how you can become an entrepreneur. And guys, hit the subscribe button and push the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income online right at working from home, I highly recommend you to click the first link in the description, my #1 recommended system that teaches you exactly how to go from $0 to $1,000 a day online. It's a 40 minutes pure value webinar that teaches you exactly how to start an online business step by step. So click the first link in the description and let's get into this. Alright guys, so the first website we're gonna take a look at here is called im.com. Now this is an app that everyone should be using if you like taking photos. The marketplace was launched back in 2015 with over 18 million users, amateurs and professionals. You're equally respected and you can easily showcase your talent using this app. Okay, so if you have some creative shots on your smartphone, well, submit them to IM and they will give you 50% of the commission each time your photo sells. It's that simple. So simply upload your photos to the marketplace, and after a very short review time your photo will be on sale right on the website. So now, depending on the style of the photo, it can also be added to the premium partners websites which have much higher traffic in that sorts of things. So this means higher lucrative prices for you. As soon as your photos sell, you will be guys notified, and you can also pay out your earnings with PayPal. So guys, check it out. I also found this article over here. This guy made his first $1,000 using IM market. Pretty good article, and I will leave the link in the description of this video so you guys can go over and check it out, how this guy make their first $1,000 by IM. It's a really good article, and also app is available guys for the Android and the Apple devices over here. So on the App Store, it's rating about 4.8 star out of 5, and in Google Play it's 4.3 stars out of 5. So guys, it's a great website. You can start. I'll leave a link in the description below, so you guys gonna go and check it out, im.com. So the other company that will pay $5 for each photo that sells on their website is called Folk. So here's another website, and your photo is actually sold for $10, but they keep 50% of the profit. So Folk has a contest and a mission where you can submit photos and win over $100 looking over here on the Google Play. Guys, it's also available in the iPhone devices as well, as Hope has about a 3.8 stars out of 5 on the Apple Store and 4.5 stars on Google Play, which is actually a little bit better. So guys, go check it out. It's a great website. So I'll leave a link in the description and you can go and check it out from there. So guys, the another way you can make money by upload photos is called clashshot.com. So when your photos are sold on this website, and the prices are range up to all the way from $5 to $80, so you have a good chance of making some higher profit. You can earn more money by ClashShot with your photos. And with this platform, it's guys also available in Android and Apple devices, and in Apple devices it's pretty much good review. It gives 1 star out of 5. It could be a little bit better, so go ahead and read the reviews before you guys can join. And in Android it's a pretty good overall rating. It's 4.2 star out of 5. It's not too bad. So guys, go ahead and check it out before you can download anything. Make sure you can review and research at your own. So guys, these are the 3 websites you can join and start earning money. But guys, at the last you are still trading time for money. So if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income online right at working from home, I highly recommend you to click the first link in the description, my #1 recommended system that teaches you exactly how to go from $0 to $1,000 a day online, step by step. It's a 40 minutes pure value webinar that teaches you exactly how to do this. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to push the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and guys, if you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment box and I try to answer them all. So that's for it today. I'm signing off, and thank you so much for watching my video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Have a nice day.